helped a lot of guys get 50% disability with no charge. They're friends of mine. I sat down with them. I sat 12 to 18 hours with them to help them with the wording, looking through their medical records. I look at their medical record. I can say, okay, you didn't apply for this. You didn't apply for that. Guys, I want to encourage you, look through your medical records and you will find there's something in there worth filing for compensation, okay? So I looked at a few friends. I helped them out. I had one guy get 300%. Another one just got upgraded to 50%. He was 40%. We are appealing that. We're going to get that, make sure that gets upgraded beyond 50%. The other ones we have help. One lady, young lady I had help. She never filed for disability. She served in the Army back in the 70s. She was, and then never knew that she can get any type of disability. Lived a struggle life, and I helped her file, and she got 50% disability plus back pay real quick. And to her amazement, she received over 50% based on that payment. She probably getting a little bit more now, but she was able to purchase a home. She was able to obtain a vehicle. At first, she couldn't get that. And she was struggling paying, living on ends meet, just on Social Security disability. That wasn't enough.